Supreme Court today cleared all doubts about the sanctity of its judgments as it dismissed the applications for a review of its February 13, 2020 judgment, nullifying the victory of the All Progressives Congress in the last governorship election in Bayelsa State. A seven-man panel of the Apex Court, led by Justice Sylvester Nguta, described the applications filed by the APC and its governorship candidate, Mr David Lyon, at the poll as vexatious, frivolous and a gross abuse of court process. Justice Amina Oge, who delivered the judgment, also ordered the lawyers to the APC and its candidate to pay a total of 60 million naira to the respondents.
It is the end of the road for the All Progressives Congress and its governorship candidate in Bayelsa State, as the Supreme Court dismisses the application for a review of its judgment. In a unanimous judgment delivered by Justice Amina Oge, the court held that it would amount to violating the finality of its judgment if the applications were granted. She said granting the applications would open a floodgate for the review of decisions of the Supreme Court. In an emotion-laden voice, Justice Oge expressed regret that very senior lawyers were responsible for filing the applications. The Apex Court awarded the cost of 10 million naira to be personally paid by Mr. Lyon's lawyer, Chief Afe Babalola, and APC's lawyer, Chief Wole, Olanipekun, SAN. Lawyers to the respondents react to the judgment.
We thank Almighty God for the type of Supreme Court we have. And we must know that without the Supreme Court, politicians would have since destroyed this country.
This judgment today has re-established the finality of the position of the Supreme Court and judgments of the Supreme Court. And we are happy the judiciary has indeed redeemed itself.
It would have been scandalous if the court had acceded to the request to review and change its judgment 2 weeks after it was delivered.
An elated Bayelsa State governor reaffirms his vow to reconcile aggrieved Bayelsans.
This judgment is reaffirmation of what God himself has judged. And so for me, it is not all about celebrations. It's about moving our state forward. And for that to happen, there must be love, there must be reconciliation. And so for me, it is reconciliation, reconciliation, and reconciliation.
The Apex Court, in its state of finality, ruled that each of the lawyers must pay the 10 million naira cost to each of the three respondents: the People's Democratic Party, Governor Degi-Eremienyo, and the Deputy Governor of Bayelsa State, Lawrence Erajakpo.